Darn it. Can't figure this out.
I'm not afraid of rationals or inequalities. Everybody, come learn with us, We'll solve these together, model some too. Whatever they say, it's not that hard to do. Just letting you know that there's inequalities too. Holler if you feel like you want to pass the class.
You can try and learn to solve rational equations before we teach them, but you won't get very far, so listen to our lesson. Cause ain't no way I'ma let you leave without some learning. When we say we're gonna teach you, we mean it. So let's start solving. First, find the domain restriction, so you'll see. This tells you what your answer can be. If you're wondering what that means, then find the LCD. Do this for each term, and all this helps you cancel the denominator. This leaves you with the numerator. Now you can solve from there. 4 quadratics after you factor. You'll get 2 answers. Some may be right, some may be wrong. Don't forget to check for extraneous solutions, whichever may work. When you plug it in, a quicker way is to use your domain restriction. Now you learn this, like a thank you D list. After this, you can solve anything we list.
I'm not afraid of rationals or inequalities. Everybody, come learn with us, We'll solve these together, model some too. Whatever they say, it's not that hard to do. Just letting you know that there's inequalities too. Holler if you feel like you want to pass the class.
Okay, now you've learned to solve the basics, time to model. I should give you a situation to put your skills to the test. Spencer's washing here, and Sophia over there. For them, one wash is fast, unlike the other who's slower. Spencer takes 3 hours, while Sophia only takes 2. I want to know how long it is together. In fact, we can solve this using a chart. We label it rate, time, and also distance. Relax, just fill it out now. The distance is 1 house, time given, like whoa. Cause remember R equals T over D. Fill in the together with X, then add the rate from up to down. But I hope you remember what we learned last time. Thought I told you to remember it, but I guess you didn't. Find restrictions, still use LCD to follow it through. Now you guys have a clue. Time for inequality.
I'm not afraid of rationals or inequalities. Everybody, come learn with us, We'll solve these together, model some too. Whatever they say, it's not that hard to do. Just letting you know that there's inequalities too. Holler if you feel like you want to pass the class. How to make the denominator less than or greater than 0. Now you gotta solve, do it for both ways. Wipe out the denominator by multiplying. Now you gotta solve, time to do that again. Time to figure out which inequality satisfies both ways.
Wasn't too hard to learn that, was it? Seriously, we got another inequality for you. So Sophia's gardening in a brand new rectangular garden. And believe it or not, she wants to fence it. She knows the width, that it's 16 more than the length. I know that she wants to know it's the width and the length of her garden, so she can know how to build her fence. Another thing is the ratio. It's the width to the length. That is 2, but also no greater than 4. It's an inequality. So let's make our 3 equations now that we know. 2 are inequalities, 1 we'll use later, because if we use multiplication and subtraction, we'll get our inequalities and our length restrictions, and then we use our equation earlier. I tell you how to do it, but you know how to add 6. I feel educated, and
I'm not afraid of rationals or inequalities. Everybody, come learn with us, We'll solve these together, model some too. Whatever they say, it's not that hard to do. Just letting you know that there's inequalities too. Holler if you feel like you want to pass the class.
Netflix, click it.